Surah Al Humzah explained for kids. Allah starts this noble surah with a warning to a group of people. He says there will be a severe punishment and destruction on the day of judgment for those who mock and belittle others. These are the people who gather lots of wealth and count it over and over again, thinking it will make them live forever in this world. Then Allah scolds this arrogant person and explains how bad his end will be. He says, the situation is not as this person thinks. They will definitely be thrown into the fire which breaks everything that is thrown into it. Then, emphasizing its seriousness, Allah asks, and what do you know about this fire? It is the intense fire of Allah that reaches the hearts of the disbelievers, and it is closed over them and locked in with extended pillars in the fire. Explanation of the verses.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة.
Allah the Almighty says, woe to every scorner and mocker. Ayah 1. This warns us against mocking others, whether by words or actions, and being greedy for money as if that's all life is about. Allah will leave him in the fire. Ayah 4. This talks about the end of those who think wealth will make them live forever in this world. And what can make you know what is Al-Hutama? Ayah 5. Allah is asking us to think deeply about the severity of this fire. The fire of Allah fueled by people and stones. Ayah 6. This describes the intensity of the fire. That which leaps up over the hearts. Ayah 7. It tells us how deep and intense the fire reaches. Indeed, it will be closed down upon them. Ayah 8. This means it's sealed over those who mock and belittle others. In extended columns. Ayah 9. This shows how tightly sealed it is. Educational insights. Allah warns us through these verses about the terrible qualities of mocking and belittling others and being greedy for wealth, reminding us not to follow such behavior. This warning is not just for reading. It's for us to understand deeply and avoid such behaviors to protect ourselves from the consequences Allah warns about.